Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Healing Spirits Oracle, a 48 card deck and guidebook by Gordon Smith with artwork by Naomi Walker. This is published by Hay House and this retails for $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot where I sell my ritual and crochet goodies. All right, let's get into this. So whether you're looking for solutions to the deeper mysteries of your life, protection from fears, help with healing, or finding your true purpose, the Healing Spirits Oracle is the perfect tool for finding guidance, spiritual awareness, and healing on many levels. Call on the high frequency wisdom of the spirits and open yourself to the incredible and loving world beyond. So this came in the Hay House Card Deck Club. So I am excited to see what is in store. This is a brand new release as of me receiving it. So to all who use these cards, reach out with your heart and mind to the highest and best in the spirit world. Ask them to bless and give healing to all readings you give to yourself and others on the path. Okay. There's the back of the cards. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so opening up the guidebook here. We've got a table of contents. We love that. So we've got introduction, and then it goes into the cards and their meanings. Okay, it looks like we have different groupings. So we have healing from spirit healers and helpers, healing from spirit guides, healing from spirit sages and masters, healing from guardian spirits. Awesome. Okay. Flip through to the back here. So how to use the cards. Use them as a daily oracle. Awesome. So basically you can use them however you want to use them. As the deck has 4 sets, any one of them can be used to get a more specific answer. If you want to ask a question of your spirit guide, for example, simply separate the 12 cards from this set, direct your question to the spirit guide, and pull a card to reveal a direct answer. The same procedure can be applied to all of the other 3 sets. If you are using your cards to read for others, it would be good to study the images, colors, numbers, and symbols, as well as the messages on the cards. It is also useful to allow your inner self to work on an intuitive level. Even those who have studied the ancient tarot still leave a space for instinctive messages to flow through the readings, as all card decks can work like keys to unlock deeper truths. All right, so then we have a meditation here. Sitting with the power. Nice. Love that there's a meditation. And then healing with the prayer. And then it goes on with information about the author and the artist. And I just wanted to see if there was any spreads, and I do not see any. Okay. We'll dive a little bit deeper with the guidebook after the flip through here. All right, there is the back. That's pretty. Let's talk about cardstock. Pleasantly surprised here. They feel really nice too. So they're very flexible. I wouldn't call them paper thin. I wouldn't call them really thin at all. I mean, they're on the thinner side, but they're substantial. They're flexible, but they snap back. So I'm happy with that. They are a matte, which I appreciate. Nothing against gloss or anything of the sort, but I do use a camera, so the gloss tends to reflect. So that's why I prefer a matte. Okay, so we do have a tiny number on the bottom right-hand corner here. And then it looks like a little blurb instead of a keyword here. Beautiful art. Wow. So I should probably read the bottom here. So, because it is tiny. So this first card says, the first step is taken. You have asked for help. And this one says, endurance is the key to success. I do really like that the artwork takes up most of the deck, but it is a tinier font. You have the power to make yourself better. Share the gift. That is gorgeous. It is time to move forward. Natural healing power. That's so pretty. Send out help to others. Heal the past and fix tomorrow. I love these like little humanoid figures. I love the feeling that this art is giving. It's like mystical and magical, yet grounded in what we know. Heal yourself to heal the world. Oh, wow. Be calm and keep going. Spirit healers and helpers are with you. That is so pretty. All is well. Oh, look at that, like North Star. Quite a different deck. Lost but never alone. I really like this. The trees, so pretty. Your life plan is unfolding as it should. Very pretty. Ask your spirit guide. Ooh. Be like your spirit guide. Wow. Your spirit guide can lead you, but can't do it for you. Gotta leap. Life lessons again. A spiritual hug. Oh. Inner space and universal knowledge. One spirit guide, one way. Always in motion. You came to serve. Happiness is freedom from fear. You are your purpose. Ooh. You are on the right path. Your soul will find those you were meant to experience life with. This deck would be wonderful if you are into using cards for meditation. Success isn't what you have, it's what you do with what you have. Ho, 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 ho. Stunning. Your path may be bumpy, but this will alter soon. This is just gorgeous. True love can never really be lost. Be the best version of yourself and start today. When it feels right, do it. Trust in the wise spirits and your prayer will be answered. Don't fear change. Embrace it and grow. Courage arrives when you step over fear. It isn't about being right. It's about doing the right thing. Oh. To overcome, you first have to climb. It is always okay to ask for guidance when the way is unclear. 100%. Listen to the voice within when it persists. If the world around you seems turbulent, stop. You have the ability to affect your own destiny. Universal love is true love, so love all. This is the perfect time. There is so much more to you than you think. Ooh, this hits home. Speak your truth with passion. The light in you can lead the way. Carry the torch for others to see. Wake up the world. Beautiful. And our last card here, go within. Beautiful deck. Oh my goodness, that is really pretty. I am excited to see what the guidebook has to say. But first, let's shuffle here. It looks really good. That was a clean shuffle. Flexible, snaps back. All right, let's try it this way. Yep. I like it. All right, let's get a card to read, please. All right, we've got share the gift. Okay, let's go to the table of contents here. Number 4, this is under the healing from spirit healers and helpers. Okay, share the gift. You have healing ability within you, and you know this because you can feel the pain of others. Spirit healers and helpers are always working with you when you use your special abilities for yourself and others. There will be times when you will feel their power and other times when you will feel the power is coming from you. It truly doesn't matter who builds the power of healing. It is more important that it is shared. Call upon the healing spirits to work with you now and allow your ability to become a great gift to be channeled and used to heal. Those who channel the power of healing spirits are true light workers. Oh, and it does have the little section 2 here. That's awesome to see. Okay. I'm kind of blown away. I think this is beautiful. I think there, oh, and it does tell you a little bit about each section 2. Okay. So here we have the section of spirit healers and helpers. Awesome. So there's a lot of information here that I wasn't expecting. I think this is beautifully done. I think this is definitely a deck that is going to be more of a healing journey and more of a meditative deck as far as I go with using it. But it is beautiful. It is quite unexpected actually for me. I didn't really have any expectations, so I didn't know what I was getting into. but I'm really excited about it. I think there's a lot of potential here. So definitely if you are trying to connect with your guides, trying to get on a healing journey, this might be the deck to use to give you a little bit more reassurance, to help you understand things a little bit better. If you're on a spiritual journey as well, this could be a deck for you too. So with that being said, I would love to know what your thoughts are about this. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you're drawn to, or is this a pass for you? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.